Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we'll be cleaning up and rebuilding my wife's PC that has been overheating, and we're using the MSI B350 Tomahawk, 16GB of Corsair Vengeance LPX 3200 MHz RAM, and a Ryzen 5 2600X, a 6-core 12-threaded chip with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and boost clock of 4.2 GHz. And a Kingston 120GB SSD, a Power Color Radeon RX 580 Red Label Golden Sample with 8GB of GDDR5 and 2304 stream processors with a core clock of 1425 MHz and a memory clock of 2000 MHz on a 256-bit bus. A Cooler Master Watt 650W power supply. And everything will go into this Fractal Design Focus G case, but first we have to clean up the parts. For the deep cleaning I will be using this ECC spray and spray everything down. Make sure you remove the CMOS battery from the motherboard before spraying it down.